Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have editor permission. Otherwise, this won't work. Open the Google Sheet and go straight to Data, then Protect Sheets and Ranges. Once the sidebar appears, scan the list and click the protected range or sheet you want to remove. You're focusing only on the specific protection entry. Do not change unrelated protections. Make sure to note who set the protection in case you need to contact them later, and keep the sheet open while we proceed. Now you remove the protection entry. Select it in the Protect Sheets and Ranges sidebar and click Edit to see options. If you see a trash icon, click it to delete the protection. Otherwise, change the permission list to include yourself or uncheck Restrict who can edit this range. Once you update or delete, click Done and wait for the sheet to refresh. You should test by editing a cell in that range. If the change doesn't apply, reload the sheet and try again. Finish by reloading the sheet and making a test edit in the previously locked area. You should be able to change content now. If you can't, double-check that you're signed into the correct Google account and that the sheet isn't using domain-level restrictions. Once done, make sure no other protections were unintentionally removed. Restore or reapply protections if needed. If permissions still block you, contact the sheet owner or your Google Workspace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.